Hi everybody, Jenny with Bet and the Farm. The video you are about to see was actually filmed yesterday. Chad and I had to run into town to pick up my car. We had some stuff done to it. That's another long story, but anyway. And there's this one road on the way home that you can kind of cut through. And a friend of mine said, oh, it'd probably be much faster for you guys, but it is part of a dirt road. So yesterday, Chad had already gone home and I'm heading back. I had to stop at the store real quick and I'm heading back and I'm like, I'll take my time and I'm going to go down and check this road out. So it is a dirt road for 5.5 miles. There's beautiful waterfalls and a gorgeous lake and a spillway, and I'm just loving it. Well, I see flashing lights, and this is what I found. Oh, doesn't even look like a truck. Yeah, it's hard to see. That's a different angle of your truck you've never seen, isn't it? That's right. Oh my heavens. And that was a nice looking truck.
Yeah, I love that truck.
Oh.
I know.
The lights are still on.
Yeah, they weren't on. Well, actually, I think they were in the rain.
Boy, they got that down pat now, don't they? Heavens. Yeah, the bed is crushed.
I should have put my mountain bike in there.
Right. Especially if it's one you really like. I know it's hard to find too.
next to him.
Wow. Well, and so that's how my night went. It took me an extra half an hour to 45 minutes to get home. Chad was worried about the car that we just had fixed and worried that I wasn't going to make it home okay. But it was fine. There was no sense in me turning around. And the guy, I felt so sorry for him, but not a scratch on him. It was utterly amazing. So, like I said, mountain driving ain't for everyone. Just take your time. Anyway, I hope you like this video. Give us a thumbs up if you do. If you've not subscribed, please do so. And don't forget that you can find us under Bet in the Farm on Facebook and Instagram. Bye, y'all.